కరెక్ట్ గా
The EMF is to motivate electron. The work done by the chemical force to move a unit negative charge from one terminal to another terminal in a battery is known as EMF. F is equal to work done by charge. Next, potential difference. The difference between higher potential and lower potential is known as the potential difference. The work done by the electrical force to move a unit negative charge, unit positive charge from one point to another point. V is equals to work done by charge.
Joule
by coulomb.
Next.
EMF is to motivate electrons. The work done of electron is chemically forced by a negative charge. It moves to move from one terminal to another terminal. In a battery, V is equals to W by Q. Joules by coulomb. Next, the potential difference
difference between low potentiality to high potentiality in a nice. Next, the work done by
the potential difference is
that done by electrical force.
The work done by electrical force is
to move
positive
a unit of positive charge. To move a unit of positive charge from one terminal to another terminal in the conductor is potential difference. V is equal to W by charge is equal to Joule by coulomb. Next, tell her. I will make you learn. Don't bother about whether you have right or wrong. Tell me. Don't bother about.
EMF is to motivate the electrons. The work done by EMF in a chemical charge.
The work done by chemical force to move a unit of negative charge from one point to another terminal in the battery. Work
V is equal to W by Q.
is equal to
Joules by coulomb.
nice, very good. Straight నుంచి వచ్చింది.
Potential difference is the difference between low potentiality and high potentiality.
Nice.
The work done by electrical charge.
Electrical force, not charge.
Force
To move
a
unit of
positive charge.
Nice, very good. From one point to another point in the conductor is called potential difference. V is equal to work done by charge is equal to Joule by next to you. Next, tell me. You are getting 6 marks.
the work done by
Chemical force.
to move the
A unit of negative charge from one terminal to another terminal in the battery is the electromotive force. Charge is equal to Joule by next. Potential difference.
The difference between
Low potentiality
and high potentiality in the conductor. The work done by electrical force to
nice.
move the electrons from one point to another point is known as in the battery, in the conductor. E equals to W by Q equals to J by C.
Two mistakes. So do it. And tell me.
EMF is motivated electrons. The difference between the work done by
Don't get any sure. Whatever it comes, speak out. Chemical force to move a unit of negative charge. To move a unit of negative. అటు పక్కన నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్ ని అంటే మూవ్ చేసింది. టు మూవ్ ఏ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్.
Negative
ఒక
charge.
కోలం గానీ అది దాని అర్థం అక్కడ.
And one terminal to another terminal
ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ EMF, electromotive force.
formula V is equals to work done by
Charge.
is equals to
Joule by Coulomb. Joule by Coulomb. Next.
Joule by Coulomb. PD, potential difference. The difference between
Potential difference is the difference between low
low
potentiality to
higher
high potentiality. The work done by
one
electrical force above chemical force in the battery. In the conductor, electrical force to move a unit of a unit of a charge. What is the charge? Positive charge in the conductor wire lo positive charge, battery lo negative charge. Remember the 2 points. Battery lo chemical force, conductor lo electrical force. I don't remember that easier. Next. W is equal to
W equals to Q is equals to
V is equal to W by charge.
W equals to charge is equals to Joule.
V is equal to work done by charge. That is equal to Joule by Coulomb. సరే చెప్పు రాట్లేదా చదువు వస్తుందా లేదా నేను చెబుతా. EMF is the difference between the EMF is electromotive force. Electrons motivate the electrons. Next, the work done by
motivate electrons
to move a unit of
charge of
unit of negative charge.
negative charge
A unit of negative charge
one term to another
from one terminal to another terminal in the battery. V is equal to W by
Q
charge Q is equal to Joule by Coulomb. Next. Potential difference. Parla vasunda kaani getting low potentiality to high potentiality. The work done by electrical force to move a unit of positive charge from one terminal to another terminal in the conductor is potential difference. That V is equal to W by Q. W work done by charge is equal to Joule by రాలా చదువు ఇంకోసారి Joule by చెప్పరా. The MF is equal to to move the work done by chemical modes to move a unit of
charge it is one terminal
from
one
terminal to another terminal is in the battery is EMF. Next, nice.
V is equals to W by Q
is
is
equal
equals to Joule by Coulomb.
Nice, very good. Next,
The difference
PD.
between lower potential and
potential to high potential is potential difference. Next, the work done by
chemical
electrical force. Electrical force
positive
to
charge
move a unit of
to move a unit of positive charge. A unit of positive charge in one point to
from one point to another point to
conductor. V is equals to W by Q is equal to Joule by Coulomb.
W by నెక్స్ట్ మనం చెప్పు కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేసాయి. నువ్వు ఒకటి చెప్పు ఒకళ్ళు ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఒకళ్ళు పొటెన్షియల్ అట్లా చెప్పండి. ఒకళ్ళు ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఒకళ్ళు పొటెన్షియల్ చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ చెప్పేసి నువ్వు
EMF is to motivate the electrons. The work done by the work done by to move a
Work done by chemical force.
work done by chemical force to move a unit negative charge from one terminal to another terminal in the battery is called electromotive force. V is equals to work done by charge is equals to joule by coulomb.
You got too much. Get up.
Potential difference. The difference between the low potential to high potential in a conductor. The work done.
Hey, don't like
The work done by electrical force to move one unit charge to another unit charge is called potential difference. V is equals to W by Q, joules by Coulomb.
Next, EMF.
EMF is to motivate electron.
The work done by
Chemical charge.
Chemical force. To move. A unit of charge.
A unit of negative charge
Ah.
from one terminal to another
Nice, very good,
terminal is called EMF. V is equal to W by Q is equal to joule by Coulomb.
Nice, very good. ఇట్లా నేర్చుకోండి సార్ అదే వచ్చింది కొంచెం హార్డ్ వర్డ్
The difference between low potential and high potential. In conductor, the work done by the electrons in the unit of positive charge. The one to move one terminal to another terminal is known as VD. V is equal to effective equals to joules by Coulomb.
నెక్స్ట్ EMF. చెప్పు పెట్టి
The difference between low potentiality and high potentiality.
The work done by electrical force.
Electrical force and 1.2
To move 1.2 to move a unit of charge. First the positive charge.
The one point to another point is the conductor. D is equals to work by charge is equals to joules by coulomb.
Next చెప్పు EMF.
is the motivate electrons, the work done by
Chemical force.
that by the work done by
Chemical force
electrical force
to move
a
unit of
unit of
negative charge. Negative charge from
from one terminal to another terminal in a
battery. Nice.
is equals to Q by
W by
Q
equal to
is charged by Coulomb.
nice. Next chapter.
Between low potential and high potential.
Nice. చెప్పు
The work done by the
ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది వైర్లో
positive charge.
ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫోర్స్.
Electrical force in positive charge. Electrical force. So it does from the one point
Move a unit of positive charge from one point to another point in the conductor is known as potential difference. What is current? Current is charge by time. Means ampere is equal to charge is Q. Time is second. In the previous class I have told current. In this class I have told voltage. Voltage is nothing but a potential difference. Nothing but a pressure in the conductor. Pressure it maintains a electrical pressure of electrical field. That's why the electrons moves from one terminal to another terminal is called is a unit of electrons move from one terminal to another terminal is called what is that called forces. Electromotive force or potential difference. That is in the battery. Battery, what is that? Chemical force. In the conductor, electrical force. Here, positive charge in the potential difference. In the battery, negative charge. Remember these 4 points, you can easily write down the work units and in the battery, negative charge and chemical force. In the potential difference, electrical force and positive charge in the conductor above battery. Okay, now finish it. Go.